you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, love.
Okay, I have my coat on, I'm ready to go out. Plus my boots. See my boots? We usually bring in wood for the night. And that's another story because we have only a wood burner insert for a fireplace, which is really inefficient. Every 40 minutes we have to put more wood in. But let me show you what's happening. This is in Michigan, and this is today. And today is, what is the date today? Today is March 25th. And this is what we got. There's my foot. That is a good, another maybe 10 inches. But let me take you over. My husband is working diligently on my greenhouse. And it's looking beautiful. Oh, I just had a bird almost fly into me. There. Hello, husband. Hello, husband. Yeah. The masterpiece, yeah, as it plays out. Looks, it's beautiful.
You can see we've got the
wow.
entryway in.
The entryway.
I still need to adjust the door that
Which is beautiful. This is beautiful, honey.
It's coming along. I'm trying to keep the snow away from it, but
yeah, until we can get that plastic wrapped. Wow, this is this is bigger than the last greenhouse I had. I think that was a 10 by 20. That's it. This one's a 12 by 24, I believe. This is pretty big. 2 feet each way makes a big difference. I want to go inside it. This is the first time I walked through this door.
definitely
wow.
not high top,
This is great.
but not low top.
Only 5'3", so that works out good, right? And you're only 6'10". I mean 5'10", 5'11", 5'11 and a half. What are you, honey? How tall are you?
I am 5'10".
And I'm 5'3", so yeah. This is nice. I can see. You see how this okay, so he's where's that? Yeah, that's quite high. You know that, right? There's the beam right there. That's just the door.
Yeah, we go up another, what, 2 inches?
Yeah. That's
3
nice.
inches.
It's nice. Look how beautiful it is up. Wow.
Yes.
Wow. I know that tree's falling down over there.
It
Right?
fell down already.
Oh, it did? Oh, yeah, it is fell.
That one just fell
It
down
fell.
last night.
Did it? Oh, boy.
The other ones that fell down were the one that we had noticed before was just beyond it.
Oh, yeah,
So-
that's right, yeah. Wow. I think this is our last Yahoo. I think this is the last big storm. I knew, I kind of figured this feels like the very last one we're gonna get. It's funny, we just talked about that the other day, right? This is it. I think we're gonna be getting spring after this. So nice. So I came out to videotape this. So you know what we didn't do? We didn't do videotapes of ourselves. A little information, backstories.
Little backstory.
We're going to do that soon. Backstories on both of us. Well, first of all, you have to realize we're in our 60s. And I'm older than him.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yep. She robbed the cradle a little bit. So.
Yeah, kind of like, but he's in his 60s too, though. But,
Much younger, though.
yeah, he is.
Much
So,
younger.
he is so much younger. I'm not. Okay, more later. God is good.
All the time.
Bye. He's marking this right now. He has to put another brace between this and this. Why did you have to put another brace between those two?
I didn't have to put another brace.
Yeah, between the door and the metal.
Well, to support the door. It's a 36-inch opening, but we're only going to sit in a 32-inch door.
Oh.
So I have to make up the difference.
Oh, I see.
A faux pas on my part when I
Faux
set
pas.
it up initially.
Well, you don't.
I was going to buy a 36-inch door. But we're going to end up using what we have here and what we have here. This is a 32-inch wood door.
32-inch. Okay.
So I'll have to narrow this gap a little bit. Just put a 2x4 in here, and then do the framing on the inside of the door. The door is just right inside.
Yeah, I'll take you over and show you. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. I'll take you over there. This will be just like my other greenhouse. I always use black plastic down on the ground. I don't use garden fabric because weeds can go through that, and it really doesn't have a really long longevity to its wear and tear. Not like the 4 mil black plastic that I usually purchase. The black plastic that I get is on Amazon. I'll show you when that time comes. When I lay it down, it's 15 by 25. So I don't have to do any cuts on this basically. It's going to be much easier. Just lay it down, and I use ground staples. So let me take you over and show you what the door is going to look like. This is actually, this building right here is a wood shop. And the gentleman who lived here did a lot of woodworking. At least he was trying to learn how to woodwork. But take you in here, show you. Okay, now this is the door we're going to be putting out there. That's what he's talking about. We're going to take that door. Behind that door is a screen door that goes out there. But that door is going to be put on the greenhouse, and this is the wood shop. Don't mind the mess in here. We bought ugly, but we got everything we wanted here. He left a lot of really good tools, but he left a lot of junk too. So as soon as the restrictions are up on the roads, we have restrictions up here for the permafrost. Seeing that we're so close to Manitoba and Winnipeg, yeah, we have permafrost issues, and I've always lived with them because I've always lived in Michigan in the rural area. But he left a lot of good tools, still workable tools. We haven't even did much. We really cleaned this the last time. The very first time we came out here, this was packed. We really cleaned it. So yeah, this is the wood shop here. And it's got a little paint room over here. Got lots of stuff in it. Okay. Yeah, rodent activity, but we've been working with that. And the floor is kind of wonky, but that's just the way it is here. Yeah. We still got lots of work to do here, but that's okay. We're getting there. We have animals coming in on the 8th. We're going downstate. It's a 7-hour drive one way to pick up 4 goats, 1 male, 3 females, 2 females, and 1 baby. And then my Great Pyrenees, all from the same farm. Onward Acres, and that's down in Cadillac. It's 7 hours from us. So hopefully the bridge stays open for that day. The Mackinac Bridge. Got back out here. This is what we got. here. And close this up. And that is the wood shop. Okay, it's snowing more, so take a walk over here. That's just so beautiful out.
What's not to love
About the Upper Peninsula.
Isn't this wonderful?
It's wonderful, yes it is. It's so quiet, Richard. And that's it. So, more later.